guys, welcome back to Chiq Blend. I'm Qui.
And my name is Richenza Marie.
And today we are doing a video on the Yeezy 700 in Carbon Blue. So if you're interested, keep watching. We are going to start off by giving you guys some details about where I purchased this shoe from and how easy this shoe was to get. So I ended up getting this shoe from Yeezy Supply. However, I did attempt to get this shoe from Adidas.com. And let me tell you, I put that shoe in the cart not one, not two, but 3 times.
Oh no. The Adidas app actually sucks.
The Adidas app, I don't know what y'all doing over at Adidas, but y'all need to get it together.
Yes.
Every single time I put my shoe in the cart, my order would disappear. So at that point, I'm just like, you know what? I'm not going to get the shoes. They're going to be sold out. Like something is seriously wrong. So I said, you know what? Forget this. I'm going to go over to Yeezy Supply and try my luck over there. Get to Yeezy Supply and guess what? The shoe is not there.
What? It wasn't on the main
The shoe was not there.
Oh.
I was just like, where the heck is this shoe? So then I go to my email address. I see that, okay, I am correct. The shoe is releasing on the 18th. So let me click the link. They give you a link of the shoe. So I ended up clicking the link and boom, there goes the shoe. So I'm like, okay, let me see if they got my size still.
Did you have to go into the waiting room?
I had to go into the waiting room for 60 seconds, about a minute, something like that. Yeah, so I did have to go into the waiting room, went into the waiting room, and I'm like, okay, let me see if they have my shoe size. And they had my shoe size. So I ended up checking out, no problems. They sent me an email stating that my shoe would be in the mail. Yeah.
And if you guys don't know, the waiting room is just a little... exactly what it sounds like. They put you in a waiting area and until the shoe becomes available or it's your turn, they'll take you out of the waiting room and then you can go to the cart and see what sizes they have.
Yeah, and I've actually done that for my sister before, and literally I've been in the waiting room before for like an hour.
Dang.
Yeah, like sometimes they don't be playing no games. So now we are going to talk about the size and fit of this particular shoe. So I was just seeing online just like a lot of, you know, people telling you what size to get, what size you shouldn't get, what size you should get. So I typically wear a US women's size 7.5 or a size 8. I'm mostly a size 8. So I ended up getting this shoe in a size 6.5, which is my true to size. So the website actually tells you to go a half a size up. So I'm typically a 6.5 in men, and so they told me to get a size 7. However, I just said, you know what, I'm just going to stick to my true to size because I was just hearing too much information back and forth. So I did get a size 6.5, and I am happy with my size. It does fit snug. So if you do not like a snug fit, you may want to just go on ahead and get a half size up. And that'll give you a little bit of room in the front. I'll give you guys a review about sizing later on once I wear them for a while, and then I can let you know if it's stretched, because the actual shoe is made of suede, which is a leather, and mesh, so they may actually stretch. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen. So as of right now, I am happy with the size 6.5. They fit snug and they are comfortable.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
I'm happy that they're comfortable for you, because sometimes if you have like a snug fit, they're uncomfortable.
Yeah, and they are not. They are good. Here is the beautiful shoe. And let's start off with the bottom. The bottom actually has a gum sole, and you can actually see the boost where the white is. These random little spots, that is actually the boost. And then when you turn the shoe over, in the midsole, it's a pretty like grayish blue color, like a lighter color blue, and then it has a darker bluish gray color with the orange pods, which I really like because they do have these little orange pods on the Yeezy Wave Runners, which I really love. Then you have the upper, and this is just a variation of different grays and blue hues, which I think is super pretty. On the inside, it does have Yeezy on one of the sides on the inner part of the shoe, it has Yeezy, and it also says that it's made in India. And then the insole, it says that it's an Ortho Light Yeezy Adidas. So I really do like that as well. Baby. Kanye. Adidas. This shoe is a lazy job. I'm not even gonna front. And honestly, initially when I was gonna get the shoe, I was really unsure about the color for a couple of reasons. Literally nobody was really talking about this shoe online. Even Yeezy wasn't really talking about the shoe online, so I feel like they knew they jacked this shoe up. They was like, you know what, this shoe finna be horrible quality, so we ain't gonna tell nobody, but we finna drop it, and we gonna see what dum-dums buy it. And I'm the dum-dum that bought it. It's like a spot on my shoe that I was like, what is that? And I looked closer up, and I was like, oh, hell nah, North did this. North colored this dang on shoe in. Like, who did this?
Right.
I do like the Ortho Light insole. I think that's really, really nice. It does feel nice on the foot. I also love the colorway. I do feel like this is a super neutral shoe. And when I put it on, I felt like, ooh, girl.
Yeah, it looks really good on her foot. Do you feel like this shoe is worth purchasing? Because they do have this shoe currently on StockX. It's a reselling store, so if you guys do want to purchase this shoe, they do have it there currently. Do you feel like it was worth purchasing?
I just said I'm a dum-dum. I would have purchased it. Here's my thing too. Like, I've watched like a couple of guys do a review on this shoe. I don't know if I just got a bad shoe, because everybody's like, oh my goodness, the quality. And I'm like,
so good.
Bitch, what you talking about? I'm like, what are they talking? Like, this quality is not good, boo.
On a 0 to 10, what would you rate this?
I gotta rate it in different ways.
Okay.
Yes. Looks, an 11. Price, a 3. Quality, y'all, for real, I don't even know if this real suede. Cause it's stiff as hell, it don't move.
Oh no. I hope Kanye does watch this video, because
I don't even know if this real, y'all, we being bamboozled.
I think so.
If you spent $300 for this shoe, put dum-dum in the comments.
So silly.
No, like, seriously though, the shoe look good. So if you want to look good,
that's just what it is.
I mean, you look good and you wearing a Yeezy. At first I was like, yo, is this a fake? But then I'm like, nah, I got this from my Yeezy supply. So this the real deal. But yeah, y'all. I don't really know what some of y'all talking about the quality. The quality is amazing. I'm like, my shoe finna be bomb.
So
get the shoe, and I was like, huh?
Like, what? Hit him with that, bruh.
Bruh. Yeah, that's where I was with this shoe. So if you want to look good, if you want to feel on, get the shoe. If quality is super important to you, I would not get the shoe.
Right.
However, I will say this. For me personally, I love the Yeezy Wave Runner. So even if that shoe came out again, I would buy it. I do plan on buying it. I missed the other drops. So if the Yeezy Wave Runner came out, I'm gonna buy that shoe. And it's also 350s that's coming out, and I want those shoes too.
Right.
So
alright, you guys, so that concludes our review. If you guys like these type of reviews, leave some comments below. Make sure you thumbs up, and then make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you can know when we drop our videos. And alright, you guys, don't forget to stay chic. Chiq Squad.